In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change business name and address on your Google Ads account. Let's get started right inside your Google Ads account. Open your browser, sign in, and once you're on the main dashboard, head straight to the billing area. Depending on your layout, billing may appear in the top navigation or under the main menu. The goal is simply to open billing so we can reach the settings that control your payment information. Inside billing, choose Settings. This is where Google stores the payment profile for your account, and it's the place that determines how your business details appear on invoices and receipts. On the settings screen, look for the section called Payer Details. You might also hear people refer to this as the payment profile. This is the section that contains your official business information. Next, open Payer Details and locate Organizational Address. This is the area that holds both your business name and the primary address associated with your billing. To make changes, click the pencil icon. That pencil icon is your edit control. Once the edit panel opens, you'll see fields for your address and your business name. Carefully enter your updated business name and full address. Be precise here. Include the correct street, unit or suite number if you have one, city, state or region, postal code, and country. Make sure your business name is exactly the way you want it to appear on invoices and payment documents. Consistency with your legal and tax records is important because these details may be used on official billing statements. Before you save, take a moment to review everything line by line. Check for spelling, capitalization, and formatting. Small mistakes can lead to confusion on invoices or delays in accounting. If your organization recently rebranded or moved, confirm that the new details match your official records and any registrations you maintain. When you're confident everything is correct, click Save. Google Ads will store your changes, and going forward, your invoices and receipts should reflect the updated business name and address. Keep in mind that updates typically apply to future documents, not past ones, so previous invoices will likely retain the old information. If you don't see Payer Details or the Edit option, you may be viewing the account with limited permissions. In that case, check with the account owner or an administrator to ensure you have access to billing settings. And that's it. You've updated your business name and address in Google Ads by going to Billing, selecting Settings, opening Payer Details, choosing Organizational Address, clicking the pencil icon, making your changes and saving.